A car engine needs a massive initial push to begin the combustion cycle. The starter motor provides this critical mechanical force. Bolted near the transmission, this electric motor converts battery power into heavy-duty rotation. Without it, you would have to hand crank the engine to get it running. The process starts when you push the ignition button. This sends a small electrical signal to a heavy-duty relay called the solenoid. The solenoid acts as a bridge between the battery and the starter motor. It safely manages the massive electrical current required for the next step. Inside the solenoid, the signal energizes a coil to create a strong magnetic field. This field pulls a metal plunger forward to close a heavy electrical contact. The full power of your battery floods into the main starter motor. The internal armature instantly spins up with incredible torque. As the plunger moves, it also pulls a mechanical lever known as the shift fork. This lever pushes a small gear outward along a splined shaft. This component is called the pinion gear. It extends just far enough to reach the back of the engine block. The pinion gear locks into a large toothed wheel on the engine called the flywheel. Because the pinion is small and the flywheel is massive, it creates excellent gear reduction. This allows the compact starter to rotate heavy internal engine components. The spinning forces the pistons to move. Once combustion starts, the engine spins much faster than the starter. A one-way clutch lets the pinion gear free spin to prevent catastrophic damage. Releasing the ignition button collapses the magnetic field instantly. A spring pulls the gear away, letting the starter shut down while the engine runs smoothly.